हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल मैथमेटिक्स वर्ल्ड। आई एम हिमानी और हम कर रहे हैं चैप्टर नंबर 1 क्लास 10th का रियल नंबर्स। सो हमने स्टार्ट की थी अपनी एक्सरसाइज 1.1 और आज उसी एक्सरसाइज का हम करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। सो बोर्ड पर आप देख सकते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज फाइंड द एलसीएम एंड एचसीएफ ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पेयर ऑफ इंटीजर्स एंड देन you have to verify this property. We have done this property in our concept class. LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. So we have to verify this property. Firstly, we have to find out the LCM and HCF of these pair of integers. After finding out the LCM and HCF, we have to verify this property which says that LCM into HCF that is equals to the product of these two numbers. So let's find out the LCM first. So for LCM we'll write this 26 and 91 for prime factorization together. So it is this 26 is divisible by 2. So we'll write 2 13s are 26 and this 91 is not divisible by 2. So we'll write 91 as it is. So next is 13 is also a prime number. We can divide this 13, 1s are 13, then 13, 7s are 91. Then we are left with 7 and 7 is a prime number, 7 1s are 7. So 1 comma 1. Last में हमारे पास 1 1 आ गया. It means LCM of these two numbers 26 and 91 that is equal to 2 into 13 into 7. So you can calculate from here. So LCM is 13 2s are 26. So 26 into 7. 7 6 are 42. 4 7 4 2s are 14 plus 4 18. So LCM of both the numbers is 182. Now let's find out the HCF of 26 and 19. So for HCF, we'll factorize 26 separately and 91 separately. So it's 2 13s are 26. Then again 13 is a prime number. So 13 1s are 13. Again this is divisible by 7. 7 13s are 91. Then 13 1s are 13. So the prime factorization of this number 26, it comes out to be 2 into 13 and the prime factorization of this number 91, it comes out to be 7 into 13. So we can see from the prime factorization of both these numbers that this 13 is common. Only this 13 is common. So it means that HCF of 26 and 91 that is equals to 13. So 13 is the HCF and 182 is the LCM. Now after finding out the LCM and HCF, we have to verify this property. So let us mark this property as equation number 1. So we'll substitute. We'll firstly check what the left hand side of this equation number 1 comes out to be. So LCM into HCF. So LCM into HCF that is equal to 182 into 13. So let us multiply this 182 and 13. So it will be 13 2s are 26. 13 8s are 104 plus 2 106. 13 1s are 13. 13 plus 10 is 23. So after multiplying these two numbers, we get that the product of HCF and LCM that is 2366. Now let us check what our right hand side comes to be. So right hand side is product of two numbers and those two numbers are 26 and 91. So let us find their product of the numbers 26 and 91. So 26 into 91. Let us find out the product 26 and 91. 1 6 are 6, 1 2 are 2, 9 6 are 54, 5 9 2 are 18 plus 5 23. So it's 6 6 3 2. So again, after finding out the product, we find that the product is 2366. So as you can see here, the product of LCM and HCF, that is 2366, and the product of these two numbers, that also comes out to be 2366. It means both are equal. So you can say, hence, you can write, since your LHS is equal to RHS, hence you can write it's verified. So that's how you have to attempt this whole question. Now we will do the third part. Second part is your homework. You have to do it yourself, and you can comment your answers in the comment section. If there is any doubt in the second part, then also you can comment that there is a doubt. I will try to solve it. Right? I will help you in solving the question. So let us solve this part 3. Question is very simple. Firstly, you have to find out the HCF and the LCM as we have done it earlier. Then you have to just verify this property. So our third part is 336. The numbers are 336 and 54. So let us find the LCM of both these numbers. So for LCM, we prime factorize the numbers together. So that is 336 and 54. So both are divisible by 2. Okay. So 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. Again, both these numbers, they are divisible by 3. So let us divide it by 3. So it is 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 9s are 27. Again, this number is divisible by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. Then this is not divisible by 4. We will write it as it is. Then again it is divisible by 2. 2 14s are, write 9 as it is. Again it is divisible by 2. Write 9 as it is. This 9 is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. Write 7 as it is. 3 7 as it is. 3 1s are 3. Then 7 1s are 7. So this is the prime factorization of both these numbers together. So let us find its LCM. So LCM of 336 and 54, that comes out to be 2 1 2 3 4. 4 times 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 3 times 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 7. So let us solve it. So 2 4 4s are 16, 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27 into 7. So 16 7s are 7 6 are 42, 7 112 into 27. So let us solve this. 112 into 27. 7 2s are 14, 7 1s are 7 plus 1 8, 7 1s are 7, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. 8 plus 4 12, 7 plus 2 9, 10, 3. अपनी कैलकुलेशंस को भी फास्ट करिए, तभी आपके इतने बड़े बड़ी कैलकुलेशंस आप सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. सो इट इज 3024. जो भी आप कैलकुलेशंस करते हैं, ज्यादा से ज्यादा जब आप प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं तो बोल बोल के करिए, आपको याद होता रहेगा धीरे धीरे मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सो इट इज LCM is 3024. Now let us find out the HCF of both the numbers. So HCF के लिए we will factorize both the numbers separately. So it will be 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 8 are 16, 2 8 are 16, 2 4 are 8, then 2 4 are 8, 2 2 are 4, 2 2 are 4, 2 1 are 2, 3 7 are 21, 7 1 are 7. Right? Now let us do the prime factorization of the number 54. So for 54, again it's divisible by 2. So it will be 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. This is divisible by 3. 3 9s are 27. 3 9s are 20. Sorry, 3 3s are 9. And 3 1s are 3. I am repeating again. कोई भी कैलकुलेशन आप घर पर कर रहे हैं, प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, अंदर या तो मन में बोल बोल के करिए या मुंह से बोल बोल के करिए. इससे गलती होने के चांसेस बहुत कम होते हैं. और इन केस आप कहीं गलती कर रहे हैं तो आप वो गलती फटाफट खुद पकड़ लेंगे. ओके, सो नाउ लेट अस राइट डाउन द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ 336. दैट इज 2 1 2 3 4 4 times 2 into 3 into 7. So 16 3s are 48 and 48 into 7. 8 7s are 56. 7 4s are 20. 8 plus 5 33. So there is no need to solve it. Sorry. We'll write the prime factorization of 54. So it is 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So let us take the common factors 2 and here it is 3. So it means the HCF of both the numbers 336 and 54, that is 2 into 3, which is equals to 6. So HCF of both the numbers, that is coming out to be 6 and the LCM is coming out to be 3024. So I am just rubbing this part, right? Since we have to verify this property also. Okay. So let us check the left hand side first. So left hand side says that you have to verify the product of LCM and HCF. So your LCM is 3024 and your HCF is 6. So find out its products. 6 4s are 24, 2. 6 2s are 12 plus 2, 14. 1, 6 0 0, 1. 6 3s are 18. So this is the product of both LCM and HCF. Now we will check our right hand side, which says you have to find out the product of both the numbers. So that is, you have to find out the product of numbers. So product is 336 into 54. So find out its product. Let us find 336 into 54. 4 6 are 24. 2 4 3s are 12 plus 2, 14. 1 4 3s are 12 plus 1, 13. 5 6 are 33. 5 3s are 15 plus 3, 18. 1 5 3s are 15 plus 1, 16. So it's 4 4 11 8 1. So product comes out to be 18144. So you can say, since your left hand side is equals to your right hand side, hence verified. So you have verified this property. You have verified this property. So it's very simple. Firstly, find out the HCF of both the numbers, then find out the LCM of both the numbers, and after that substitute the values in this property and check whether your left hand side is equals to right hand side. If it's equal, you will write that this property is verified. Okay. That is, we have to find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by the method of prime factorization. अब पहले जो हम क्वेश्चंस कर रहे थे उसमें सिर्फ दो नंबर्स का HCF LCM फाइंड करना था. यहाँ पर नंबर्स तीन हो गए. ट्रिपलेट्स का LCM और HCF हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. तो हम क्या करेंगे, हम तीनों नंबर्स को अलग अलग फैक्टराइज कर लेते हैं पहले. right? So 12, 15 and 21. So it's 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. Again 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. Then 3 7s are 21 and 7 1s are 7. So write down the prime factorization of 12. So for 12 it is 2 into 2 into 3. For 15 it is 3 into 5. Then for 21 it is 3 into 7. So प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन अगर एक बार फाइंड कर ली तीनों नंबर्स की, तो यहीं से हम इसका HCF और LCM फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. So for HCF we will find out the common factor in 3 of the prime factorization. So only 3 is common. So HCF of these 3 numbers, that will be equals to 3, right? And there is a difference. If we have to find out the LCM, so for LCM जो नंबर तीनों में कॉमन है उसको तो हम लिख लेंगे एक बार. We have not to repeat it again and again. And जो नंबर्स बच गए हैं उनको भी हम प्राइम इनके प्रोडक्ट में इंक्लूड करेंगे. 2 into 2 into 5 into 7, राइट? कॉमन जो तीनों में फैक्टर है प्राइम फैक्टर, उसको तो फॉर एलसीएम विल राइट ओनली वंस and the left out factors we'll write as it is and simply we'll find its product. So it will be 2 5s are 10 and 3 2s are 6 7s are 42. So it's 420. So LCM of the three numbers 12, 15 and 21, that is coming out to be 420. So this is very simple. सबसे पहले तीनों नंबर्स की प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन फाइंड आउट कर लो. जो प्राइम फैक्टर कॉमन है वो हमारा एचसीएफ हो जाएगा. एलसीएम के लिए कॉमन प्राइम फैक्टर को एक बार लिखेंगे और बाकी लेफ्ट आउट प्राइम फैक्टर्स को मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे उससे. ठीक है? सो एलसीएम इज योर 420. सो लेट अस फाइंड आउट. लेट अस डू द पार्ट नंबर 3. सेकंड पार्ट यू विल डू इट ऑन योर ओन. So the third part is you have to find out the HCF and LCM of the number 8, 9 and 25. 8, 9 and 25. Let us prime factorize it. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So write its prime factorization. For 8, it is 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. For 9, it is 3 into 3 into 1. And for 25, it is 5 into 5 into 1. So as you can see, only 1 is common in the prime factorization of 3 of the numbers. So it means that HCF of 8, 9 and 25, that is equals to 1. And the LCM, that is 1 तो सब में कॉमन है, बाकी ये नंबर्स जो लेफ्ट आउट नंबर्स हैं उनको भी हम मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. तो 2 is 3 times 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 and 5 into 5. So let us multiply them. So 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 3s are 18. So the LCM is 1800. LCM of these three numbers that is equals to 1800. So that's very simple. तीनों की प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन फाइंड करो. HCF के लिए जो कॉमन है वो आपका HCF आ जाएगा, एंड फॉर LCM कॉमन तो हमारा जो भी कॉमन है उसको हम एक ही बार लिखेंगे, बाकी लेफ्ट आउट प्राइम फैक्टर्स को हम सिंपली साथ में मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. सो दैट विल बी योर LCM. So that's all. This is your question number 3. Now let us do our question number 4. In the question you are given the HCF of two numbers, that is 306 and 657, that is 9. You have to find the LCM of both these numbers. अब हम तो कोई प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन नहीं करेंगे, कुछ नहीं करेंगे. हमें एक प्रॉपर्टी पता है that HCF into LCM, that is equals to product of the two numbers. ये पता है हमें प्रॉपर्टी. अभी हमने सेकंड क्वेश्चन में इसको वेरीफाई भी किया है. सिंपली HCF की वैल्यू यहाँ पुट कर दो 9. LCM हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. LCM की जगह LCM ही लिख दो, और प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द टू नंबर्स कौन से हैं? 306 and 657. So LCM हम यही रहने देते हैं. 9 को will take to the right hand side. 306 into 657 divided by 9. So it will be 9 3s are 27. 9 1s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 3 9 4s are 36. So you have to multiply 34 into 657. 4 7s are 28, 2. 4 5s are 20, 22, 2. 4 6s are 24 plus 2, 26. 3 7s are 21, 2. 3 5s are 15 plus 2, 17, 1. 3 6s are 18 plus 1, 19. So 8, 2 plus 1, 3. 6 plus 7, 13. 9 plus 2, 11 plus 1, 12. 1 plus 1 is 2. So LCM of the two numbers 306 and 657, that comes out to be, after this multiplication, 2 2 3 3 8. So this is the LCM. So this question is very simple. Simply आपको एक प्रॉपर्टी लगानी है. अगर मान लो आपको किसी क्वेश्चन में LCM की वैल्यू भी दे सकते हैं, या फिर ऐसा भी हो सकता है LCM HCF दोनों दिए और यहाँ पर किसी एक नंबर की वैल्यू दी और आपको ये कहा जा सकता है कि फाइंड आउट द सेकंड नंबर. सो बेसिकली कोई भी एक वैल्यू मिसिंग हो सकती है इसमें से, और बाकी की 3 वैल्यूज आपको देंगे, तो आपको वो अननोन वैल्यू इस रिलेशन की हेल्प से फाइंड करनी है. क्लियर? सो आज की क्लास में हमने एक्सरसाइज 1.1 का सेकेंड, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट किया है. इन क्वेश्चंस को अच्छे से आप अपनी कॉपी में खुद प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. जो पार्ट्स हमने नहीं किए हैं उनको आपने खुद प्रैक्टिस करना है. सो नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम अपनी पूरी एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट कर लेंगे एंड विल स्टार्ट विद आवर नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज 1.2. सो आई होप आपको आज का लेक्चर अच्छे से समझ में आया हो. कोई भी डाउट होता है कमेंट कर दीजिए कमेंट सेक्शन में. आई क्लियर ऑल योर डाउट्स. और अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए ताकि वो भी अपने कॉन्सेप्ट्स रियल नंबर के स्ट्रॉन्ग कर सके. एंड यस, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब भी कीजिए ताकि आने वाली वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आपके नोटिफिकेशन बाद में आ जाए. So that's all for today. Stay blessed and stay positive. We'll meet tomorrow in the next video.